Cradle at 2,000 meters.
Survey complete, ready for lift.
Cradle at 2,000 meters.
Contact confirmed. Load green. Aircraft secured.
Okay, bring her in slowly now.
Stern is clear on the left side.
Lifts engaging in Bay 2. Absolutely stunning. Look at the detail on the fuselage.
After all these years, she's finally home.
This section is worse than we initially projected.
Agreed. Let's make sure we document the subsurface readings thoroughly.
Keep that pressure steady on the starboard side. Copy that, moving to the next section now.
Check continuity on this brown and yellow.
Okay, reading steady, matches the 1944 diagram here.
Disassembly complete. Ready for skin.
Keep it coming, a little to the left. Okay, whole alignment perfect, secured.
Seated fully.
No play dissected. Pressure's holding steady. Check the couplings with the detector.
All clear. Logging the pass.
That connection looks secure. What's the readout?
Verified on the tablet. Everything checks out according to the manual.
Excellent. Let's keep moving.
The flow rate is optimal and holding steady.
Green light confirmed. The system is fully operational.
Okay, cycling the yoke now. How's the travel? Smooth. Looks good. Tension is holding steady.
We have a solid green on the main actuator.
Downlocks verified. System is nominal.
systems check is green across the board. Verify electrical bus tie.
Confirmed. Propeller synchronization is active and stable.
All right, steady as she goes. Watch the exhaust stacks.
Right, the corrosion on these lower cylinders is remarkable. 70 years underwater really took its toll.
Torque set on cylinder 4.
Verified against the manual. Go ahead and check it off.
All right, moving on.
Oil pressure is steady at 80 psi.
Temperatures are well within limits.
Balancing's complete. Pitch control sequence initiated. Readouts are nominal across the full cycle. Check the fuel line connection on engine 4.
Looks good from here. Pressure steady.
Confirmed.
Check engine 4 manifold pressure. Holding steady at 40 inches. Systems check complete.
Flap extension looks good at 40 degrees.
Confirming full travel on the aileron. Checklist complete. Verify system green.
Radio check, radio check. How do you reread?
Over.
Flaps are fully extended and locked.
Affirmative. Engine parameters are nominal.
All systems check complete. We are operational.
Emergency procedures review, step 9, cross-checked.
Confirmed, Captain. All indicators green for the initial ascent.
Pressurization systems are nominal.
Power looks good. Keep it coming slowly. You are clear for Charlie taxiway. Chocks away. Clear right. Clear left.
Ground clear, ready for takeoff.
After 7th years, the mighty B-29 begins her historic flight.
Power set for Mito. All gauges in the green.
Confirmed. Gear up. Flaps 20.
Gear inspection complete, Chief. All pressures green. Roger that. Final sign-off confirmed. Well done, team.
Performance metrics across the board look outstanding, especially the fuel efficiency on the final approach.
The handling felt incredibly smooth. A true success.
Agreed.
We actually did it!
After all these years!
To the ground crew!
How did she handle after all these years?
Absolutely flawlessly. The restoration team did incredible work getting her back in the air. Look at how clean that is. They did an amazing job on the restoration.
It's incredible to see it fly again after all these years.
Hold steady on the center line, coming into the box now.
Clear on the left, looking good.
This commendation is for the exceptional work on the B-29. This is truly a historic achievement.
All right, team, let's start the post-flight inspection sequence.
Roger that.
I'll take the nose gear. Engine temps look good for cowling removal.
We're seeing some stress fractures on the supercharger casing here.
Okay, I've logged that. The torque on the mounting bolts is within limits though. Valve pressure holding steady. Go ahead and cycle the aileron.
Cycling the surface now. Movement is smooth.
The pressure on line 3 looks good. Check the actuator seal with the scope.
Confirmed. The seal is intact, no leaks detected.
This connection here seems loose. Did the torque wrench click?
Yes, I double checked it. The readings are nominal across the board now.
Cycling the nav frequency now. Check the indicator.
Solid reading. System checks out green.
Bore scope readings are nominal across the wing spar. No anomalies detected.
Confirmed. Logging the data now. The next section is clear for sign-off.
Check valve 7, seems clear.
All right, I'm torquing the bolts now.
Reading is 55 inch-pounds.
Noted.
All green here.
Check the fitting on the return line here. It looks loose.
Okay, I'll torque it down and monitor the pressure drop.
The torque on the regulator is good. We're holding steady at 1800 psi.
Confirmed. Checklist item 4 complete.
Gauge response is nominal. Check the crossfeed valve indicator.
Affirmative. Crossfeed shows closed. Running the yoke check now.
The structural integrity looks solid according to these readings.
Confirmed. The fuselage restoration is complete.
All right, let's sign off on the airworthiness certificate.
We need to schedule the level 3 inspection right here.
Based on the flight hours, that aligns perfectly.
I will update the digital log.
Cross-reference the carburetor units with the manifest. Make sure the serial numbers match the new shipment.
Verifying now.
This flowchart covers the emergency oxygen system bypass.
And we've cross-referenced it with the flight engineer's manual here.
Verify the sequencing on the emergency gear extension.
Step 4 needs annotation for the revised hydraulic bypass.
Page 42B updated with the restoration specs.
Verified. We can sign off on this section now.
The hydraulic line routing on station 12 has been modified. We need to reflect that in section 3.
Right, I'll update the diagram reference here.
The wing spar reading is stable at 2500 psi.
Confirmed. Updating the performance parameters now.
All systems are reading green. The restoration holds up to the original specs.
Confirmed. Performance verified across the board.
All systems green, Captain. Block time 5 hours, 20 minutes.
Roger that. Recording complete.
This is York. The structural integrity here of York is remarkable. They managed to save nearly 8% of the original fuselage.
After decades underwater, the painstaking restoration of the B-29 is finally complete, ready for public viewing.
So if we align the curriculum here, we can use the fuselage section for the aerodynamics module.
Perfect, and the students can scan the rivets using the new tablets.
Jordan.
We need to ensure the fuselage stresses are monitored, even in a static display.
Absolutely. The educational value comes.
The corrosion here was extensive, but the structural integrity is fully restored.
And the readings on the landing gear match the schematics.
We measure the shim thickness here with the caliper, ensure it matches the schematic exactly.
What is the acceptable deviation for this specific joint?
As you can see on the schematic here, this panel covers the auxiliary fuel lines.
Right, so we need to ensure the pressure is calibrated correctly before the next phase.
Check the dorsal turret mounts against the blueprint here.
Scanning now. Reads exactly 75 inches, spot on with the archival data.
Excellent.
This matches the original 1944 specifications exactly.
It's incredible to see it preserved like this.
The final cost analysis came in significantly under budget, and the timeline was met ahead of schedule.
The restoration.
The final documentation is complete, ensuring a permanent record of this remarkable 70-year journey.